This video will demonstrate how to light a Napoleon Patioflame table. To begin, ensure the fuel source is connected to the table. If connecting a fuel source after it has been previously removed, secure the tank and turn it on. Then apply a 50-50 water dish soap mixture to the gas connection. Look for bubbles forming at the connection, indicating a leak, and tighten it as necessary. Now close the access door and turn your attention to the control panel on the side of the table. Remove the igniter switch and ensure it has a fresh AAA installed with the positive side facing outward, then reinstall the switch. Push in the igniter to test the operation of the spark. This will be visible through the igniter cover. Push in the control knob and turn it to the ignition position, then press the igniter to light the flame. Once lit, remove your hand from the igniter and remain pressing in the control knob to keep the flame lit. This heats up the thermocouple, which is required to keep the flame ignited. Once the thermocouple is heated up, turn the knob to the on position, remove your hand, and enjoy the Patioflame table.